Hi viewers, there are some common errors that we make often in our daily conversations or even when we write. There are a lot more number of errors that we can't even account for it. So let us see some of it step by step. Look at the sentence. Suresh told to me about it. Read the sentence again. Suresh told to me about it. So there are two persons involved, Suresh and the other person is me. So how should it be? There is no need to use an infinitive, that is to over here. Suresh told me about it. That is the correct one. Suresh told me about it. There is no need to use a to here. It should be like this. Suresh told me about it. Look at the next sentence. I want that you should meet him. I want that you should meet him. What is the actual meaning? I want that you should meet him. Very simple is that. I want you to meet him. So what is the need for that? Not necessary at all. The right usage without error will be I want you to meet him. I want you to meet him. Look at the next sentence. We discussed about the matter yesterday. We discussed about the matter yesterday. Something was kept under discussion yesterday. Okay. A discussion is a very detailed one. Maybe the pros and cons or whatever things involved. So, we discussed about the matter yesterday. There is no need for a preposition over here. So, the right expression will be, we discussed the matter yesterday. When you say discuss, it includes about also. So, there is not necessary a use of about over here. So, the right answer will be, we discussed the matter yesterday. Look at the next sentence. I have ordered for 3 cups of coffee. Look at the sentence. I have ordered for 3 cups of coffee. So the particular person, I, has given an order for 3 cups of coffee. That's a very simple task. What is the need for a preposition for here? Just think about it. Absolutely no. The right answer will be, I have ordered 3 cups of coffee. That's it. I have ordered 3 cups of coffee. That will be the right answer. Look at the next one. She requested for my help. That means the particular needs some help of the other person. She requested for my help. Here also there is absolutely no need for a preposition. She requested my help. That will be as simple and plain and as simple as that. So they remove the preposition here. She requested my help. Only 2 people are involved here. She requested my help. So, have you learned to discard some few errors? Okay, thank you.